The little leprechaun who loved yellow. The most important thing about being a leprechaun, said Patrick's mother as she buttoned him into his jacket, is wearing green. Green is the color of the Irish. Green is the color of the fields and hills of Ireland. Green is the color of shamrocks. And absolutely green is the color to be worn by all leprechauns, of which you are one, she continued. Patrick looked at himself in the mirror. He was not happy. His shoulders slumped, his head drooped, his hands hung, his knees sagged. Patrick was not happy because he liked more than just green. He liked all the colors. He liked the red of the beach ball in his basket of balls and the roses outside his window. He liked the blue of the sky and the boat he sailed in the bathtub. He liked oranges to eat and the orange of his school books. He liked purple grapes and purple snakes and purple fish. Yes, he liked all the colors of the rainbow, but most of all, he loved yellow. I wonder where this story's going. If you would like to purchase this book and see all of the Sally Huss books, go to sallyhuss.com. This book, like many of the Sally Huss books, is available in a multicultural version. Thank you.